guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to lucio.
I do it in this wall over there. And it doesn't matter which wall you do it on. You can start on the hay bale or not. Lucio, you're going to put your hands here, like this, and then like you go like that. You just go like that.
I just unlocked
this
it for
way.
my sister since I'm on my sister's account.
Like that, and then you can get all the way over there.
I wanted to unlock competitive one.
It'll probably be better you knowing how to do this like first. But yeah, that's how you do it.
You know, the movement system,
And
they made it different.
to vertical, you have the
And then also,
same like that,
look at this.
and then
Look. Watch, when I'm trying to
like that.
Bro, did you just see that?
Yeah, Google that.
Actually, I have to slide.
Yeah, I'm quite good because I just got into a competitive, but that's how I walk on. But yeah, I can start it off the ground. I recommend starting in the hay bale, but you can do whatever you want. Like that. So that's how you lucio. And then yeah, yes. Keep parallel with the wall. I recommend trying this way first, so you actually know how to walk on. Roll on. Or you can do this way. So that's how you lucio. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe, everyone.